Today I will discuss with you projection of line. In this case, line is inclined to both the planes. Angle of inclination is given. We have to draw projections. So we will use rotation method to draw projections. Let us start with the numericals. In this numerical, first of all, we will draw as usual xy axis. And we know the question is in first quadrant, so we will mark as vertical plane and horizontal plane on respective side. Now first of all, draw projector line to draw the projection of point E. So we will use set square to draw perpendicular line here. Along this we will mark the given distance as line point E is 20 mm above HP, 20 to 10, 20. So this point 20 is the front view and 15 mm in front of VP. So here is 15 distance. So we will mark as here is E dash and E point. Now we will draw horizontal line through these 2 points. So we will use ruler scale here. So from here make this ruler parallel to axis, move like this. Here is a reference line and similarly here other reference line. Now we will mark a line at angle of 45 with HP of length 60. So we will mark a line at angle of 45 here, 45. Along this line cut a distance equal to 60 mm. So from here marking the distance 60. Similarly on other side angle is given as 30 degree. Here is 45, other angle is 30 degree. So we'll use protector 30 here. Again cut distance equal to given length, that is 60 mm. So this is the point. So now draw perpendicular line from this point. For that sake we will use roller scale. From here we will draw perpendicular up to this point and draw a locus of line through point F, that is from this point like this. Locus of point F. Now mark a arc equal to distance this projection when this line is 2 length, so projection is parallel to xy. So we will rotate this projection so that it cut the locus of point F, that is here. So this point is F, this is F1. Similarly, we have to draw locus of line through this point F dash. This point is F dash. Then pass a projector line through this F dash to locate F dash here. So this one is F1. So we have to locate F dash in the front view. So draw a line parallel to this projector. So we get the front view here as F1 dash. We will join these 2 points EF and E dash F dash to get the projection of a line when line is inclined to HP as BP at respective angles. So this angle is given as 30 degree. So these are locus of point F. Here is locus of point F. Mark respective distance here. First of all, mark extension line to draw the projections. This distance is given as 20 mm. This one is 15 mm. And this dimension is 60. We will mark as we can mark either dimension on this side or in the top view. Distance is given as 60 mm. So this is the solution of the problem when the inclination to both the planes are given with length of the line. So we have to draw the projection. So these are the projections E1, E dash, F1 dash and E F1. So this is the solution of the problem.